Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this flower. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button. I'll be really happy if you do so. Let's get started. I use chiffon for this flower. Prepare your petal template like this. My petal size is less than an inch. If you want to make a bigger flower, then you should make a bigger petal. And if you want to make smaller flower, then make a smaller petal. The shape of your petal doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to burn the petal later. Now let me show you how to make the petal with our template. We fold our fabric so we will have multiple petals in one cut. When you cut, leave about half an inch because we are going to burn this. You can use any fabric for this, like satin fabric, lining fabric, and crepe fabric. And I will show you how to burn this petal. I like to pinch the petal like this, so we don't need tweezers for this. And then burn your fabric and you will get a beautiful shape for the petal. Let me show you one more time, like this. We need 22 petals for medium size of flower. You can make more or less according to your desired shape. Now take a square fabric about twice the size of your petal, fold it like this, and use hot glue to secure. Twist, and secure with hot glue again. And this will be the center of our rose. Take one petal and wrap around the center of your rose. Take the second petal and we will attach this from the middle of first petal. Then attach this third petal starting from the middle of second petal, like this. Now starting from here, I like to divide our petal. Divide it by 4, 5, 5, and 5. Take the 4 petal and this will be our first layer. So to arrange the flower, for the first layer, we spread evenly the 4 petals. Let me do this. So we spread the 4 petals evenly for this first layer. Now cut the excess fabric and use hot glue to secure. From here, I like to arrange the flower from the back side. So we take the 5 petals for the second layer and we spread evenly these 5 petals. Like this, we spread evenly and do the same for the next layer. Don't worry if your flower shape doesn't look good here, because you will catch up on the next layer. So we just spread the petals evenly for each layer. And for the last layer, if you want to use 6 petals, then you spread 6 petals. But I'll just use 5 petals here. So the key for this flower is to spread the petals evenly for each layer. And our rose is done. If you want to see how I make the smaller version for this flower, please see the description below. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.